How to use presets for indoor photography. First of all, open the Lightroom app on your device and select the photo you want to edit. Browse your Lightroom presets and choose one that suits the mood and lighting of your indoor photo. Next, apply the preset by tapping it. After applying, check the photo for lighting issues such as shadows, highlights, or color tones that don't match the indoor environment. Adjust exposure, highlights, shadows, white balance, and saturation as needed to make the photo look natural and well lit. You can also tweak contrast, temperature, and tone curves to achieve the perfect indoor look. Once satisfied, save the edited settings as a custom preset if you plan to apply the same style to other indoor photos. Now you know how to use presets for indoor photography. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.